This conference will now be recorded.
Go to the command prompt with the CMD, hit enter. So you will be able to see this command prompt. Here you type in Java hyphen version or just a Java. So it will show which Java is installed on your machine. Okay. If you type just Java, so it will show so many commands here. So it means Java is installed. So if Java is not installed, it will show Java could not be recognized as a internal operation. Just a minute, guys. Yeah, hi guys.
So, Rajni, did you already done with the Selenium class?
Uh, Today,
Yep.
yes.
Okay, 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 okay. I forget the timing. So if you can send me the lecture, what you covered?
I covered actions class.
Okay. Yeah. Can you send me the lecture at the end of the class?
Yes, yeah. So, okay. Mm, so class will have the variables and methods. Okay, so whatever we create in the Java, so we will be creating the classes. So before we go into that one, so how to install? So if you type in Java, you will get a list of commands. It means you have Java installed on your machine. So nowadays system, whenever you take a new one, so Java is already installed. If not, then you have to install. So if it is not installed, you will be getting the error Java could not recognize as a command. Okay, so Java could not recognize as a command, or some two lines of errors you will get. Okay, so now Java is installed. If not, you can refer to the installation I have. Okay, setting up Java, and here, so you can set up this environment, guys. And in this, first you install Java. Okay, I'll share this PPT already with you. I already shared. Okay, so you can install Java from this Oracle site. You can choose the whichever OS you have, and then click next. It will be done. Okay, you can download Eclipse from this site. So what is Eclipse? This one, the interface you are able to see. This is application. Okay, okay, so this is the interface. This is the Eclipse. Okay, so Eclipse will come with the different versions and then different names. Okay, Neon, Oxygen, anything you can install. Okay, so the latest one you can install. You can go to the link here and then type in and then paste it here. So install Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Okay, so this one you need to install, and then whichever OS you want to, you can choose this one and then install that. Okay, so here you have got a download option, and then you can download. Okay, and once that is done, you are good to write a Java programs. Okay, so you are good to write the Java programs from this. So everything we create in Java is in the class, as we know. So now we need to create a file new Java project. So each interface or each application has got a same file new. On a notepad also you have file new, on a Word file also file new, right? So it is a simple, the same way. File new Java project, and then we will be giving here the name. So demo Java programs. Okay, this is a, I will give Java demo programs and then finish. So this is a project created. Okay, so it has got JRE library, Java project we created. Inside this we will be creating a package. Package is nothing but a folder. Like I'll create a demo folder or demo one. Okay, or a day one. You can give any name. And then inside that I will create a, so SRC is again a folder coming by default. So I do not want, I will delete that. Okay, so I will delete that. Here in this I will create a new package. So here we will give a name demo. So demo, I have got a package, and then inside this I will write, create a class. Okay, and then now I will give a here program one, or a basic program. So I will give the name like this, program basic. So select public static void main and finish. So this is your class that is created, and inside this we will write all the code. Okay, so in Java everything we write in the classes. So what is we created? I will write here. So we created a Java project. First step, and then created a package, right? Create a Java project, create a Java project is the first step. Okay, second is create a package and then create a class. Simple. Okay. So we created a class with the name program basic. Okay. So as we created a class with this name, it has already created a entire thing for us. Okay, so public class and whatever name we have given, the interface is helping us in writing the code. Okay, that's why we are writing it here. Okay, so here you have got a public static void main, and then inside this you will write. Okay, so now we will write a variables here. So what is a variable? It is a container. So we can write in here. Sorry guys. Okay, so integer is a data type, and then a equals to 10. So now a is a variable which is holding the value 10. Okay, like that you can create a n number of variables. Okay, you can create a variable of string type. So I will create a name variable, and then I will write a Anupama. Okay, so what is name is holding? The Anupama value it is holding. What is a is holding? The 10. Okay, so when whatever data type we specify, that value it will hold. Okay, so what is the data type here? So this is given by the Java. Okay, so we have got a data types in Java that we have to declare a variable with that data type. What it means? A is a integer type variable which will hold the integer value. Okay, so it will only take the integer value. So 10, 100 like this, that one only. Okay, so string will take the string values like this. Yes.
Yes, Rajni.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, you set up this. Okay, for your, so install Java, install Eclipse, and then create a Java project, then package, then a class. Okay, and then, so this is a variable is container which will hold the value. Okay, then what is a print statement? What is the input output print statements in Java? So system.out.println is a print statement. So whatever we write in here, so every programming language we write hello world as our first step. Okay, so I will also start with that one. So what is a print statement? System.out.println. So it will print that in the console here. Why it is not printing here? Yes, hello world, hello world. How many times? We have so many. So I will close all. Okay, I executed 4 times, that's why it is printing that one. So I will editor does not contain main type. I'll just run as Java application. So what is the issue with this? Okay, this has got executed, that's why it was printing so many times. Okay, so this is working, why, and that is not working, why? So yeah, because I deleted this src, that's why it is not working. In this hello world is only once, it should not be the case actually. Okay, so I will create a new Java project. Okay, so here I will write Java demo 1. So this time I'll not remove this src folder, and then create a package here. We'll give a test package, and then I'll create a class. So I'll write a test demo as a class name, and here I will write a hello world in the double quotes. Okay, so whatever you write in double quotes, exactly it will be printing hello world, and then run it. So it has got printed that hello. So what is this public static, sorry, system.out.println? It is a print statement that will print on a console. So why we need this print statement? To give user information, right? So you have done this job, or your test case is passed, or something is working, something user has given a input, that is right, that is wrong, we need to give the message to user, right? So for that, programming languages has got the print statements, that is a need, right? So to give the give the update to the user, whatever is done, for that we will be using this print statements. What is this main method here? So main method is a Java program execution point. From this one the execution will start. Okay, so you can have different classes here in the package. Okay, you can create another package. Okay, so here I can create another package, another class. I will write test demo 2, and then I will not take a main method. Okay, so your execution will start from this main method. Okay, whatever number of methods you have, but your execution will start from the main method. Okay, so the meaning of public static I'll tell later. Public means it is available or visible to other package, other classes as well. So this public class demo means what? This class is available to other class also to access. Okay, so remaining static and void I'll tell you later. If I tell you now, maybe you will be getting confused. So here you might have seen double slash and to do auto generated method. Okay, so this double slash is nothing but a comment. Comment means what? That is not the code. It compiler will not consider it as a code. So what is a compiler? Compiler will execute your Java program. It will compile. Okay, so compiler will compile your Java program, and then it will ignore. So if you are not writing double slash, so it will be thinking that it is something Java commands. Okay, so English like statements are not the Java commands, right? So Java is a programming language. right? It is not a English language, so whatever you write, it will understand, compiler will compile that. No, that way it may not work, it will not work. So here you have seen the print statement. So now I want to print with the name. Okay, so now I'll take a string variable name, and then I will take a value as a Gina. Okay, and I'll save, and now I will be printing along with hello and name, hello Gina, I want to print in. So I will take this system.out.println, and here hello, and then plus operator is a concatenation operation, and then name. So name is my variable, so that name Gina is printed in place of name. So hello Gina, it will print. What is a plus operation here? Plus operator, concatenation. So this is my string. Okay, dummy text, that will be printed as it is, but name is a variable, right? So variable and the text we need to concat, so we have to use a plus operator. So my name is a variable, and then the value it is holding is Gina. So see here. So this line executed, line number 10, it is printing hello world. Okay, line number 13 executed, hello Gina, it is saying. Okay, everyone able to understand? Swati?
Yeah, yes, got
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
Anupama?
Yes, Rajni.
Yeah, very basic. Okay, fine. So what are different data types we have? So like string data type we have a char data type. Okay, so it will hold a single character. Char ch equals to, we can store a, b, a single character, not a string. String is multiple characters. Okay, so there is a string, integer. Integer is a, we have seen, right? So integer is a 10, 100, the values you can store. And then you have got a double. In that you will be able to double D equals to 10.10 fraction as well. Okay, so 10.30 I want to store like this. So there is a another variable boolean. It will store boolean, I will say flag as a variable, and then it will hold the value true and false. It will store a true or a false. Okay, so true or a false. So these are the few data types we have. And then in the print statement we can use this all. Okay, so now I will write sys out control space, it is a shortcut to print system.out. So type in entirely, instead of this I will be using just sys out. Okay, control space, just a minute. So it is working. Now I want to print in character ch. What is it is holding value, guys, who will tell? I want to print D. Okay, so the values of that variables, it will be printed. So now I want to print name, we printed with hello, ch,
Tree.
D, A, and then yes, so boolean has got a, okay, spelling error, that's why, and then semicolon. So now I'll be printing flag as well. So what is my flag variable contains? Okay, so now we'll run it. So a ch is a value of ch is a character, so it is printing in place of ch a. So what is value at a d variable, in the d variable 10.30, so it is printing 10.3. Okay, so 0 is truncated, no difference, 10.3 and then 10.30. Yes, after decimal the 0 doesn't have any significance. And then flag is false. Okay, so this way you can print the variable names. Okay, your variables, the data will change. Okay, so what are the different operators we have? Okay, one operator we have seen, plus, as a concatenation operation between a string and then variable. Okay, and there are mathematical different operators available in Java. So plus, minus, multiplication, these are the basic operations that we can perform. So now I want to perform a, okay, a into some 3, then 100 into 3, right, internally. So we can perform different mathematical operations, the operators we have. Okay, so I will write here, plus is for plus, minus is for minus, star is for multiplication, slash is for division. Okay, and then there is a percentage operator, that is mod operator. Okay, so remainder it will give in the division. Although in the testing we may not be using all these operators, you should be aware of all these. In testing we will not do any minus or multiplication. Okay, so we will see more in the string. Okay, so more about the strings, because we will be working with the string more. Okay, so I will write in here in this, or I will create a new class now and create a new class test demo 3. I'll take a public class, and then we will see about the string. So when we work with the string, okay, so first I'll create a few string characters. Okay, so instead of typing hello, so I will take a variable greeting, and then to this I will assign a value hello. Okay, and then will use it, and then so again another string variable name. So variable names always start with the small letter. So here I will write a name as a Raji. Okay, and then semicolon. So now I want to print two variables, right? So I will be using greeting as a 1. So plus operator, and then in these two I need a space. Okay, so space I have to give with this double quotes, and inside that space then again a plus operator, and then name the variable name. So it will print hello Raji now. Yes, so Java is interesting, so tricky it is how it is printing. So if I remove this space here, what will happen, guys? So it will be printing in this format. Okay, so there is no space in between, so it is not looking proper, right? So if it is, there is a space, it will look good, right? So to work with the strings we have got a different method. So what are the different methods we have? So I want to print the length of this string. Okay, so the variable name I will take, and then dot length, greeting dot length I will take. So it will print the length of your greeting variable. So what is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many characters are there, guys? 5, right? So it is giving you the length. Okay. And to this, I want to convert it to uppercase. Okay. So for name, I want to convert it to uppercase. This out, I will write and the name dot to uppercase, and I want to print. So it is converted to uppercase. Yes. And then here it is one character is upper letter, uppercase, right? So now I can convert in the same way to the lowercase as well. Name dot lowercase to lowercase. So it will be printed in a lowercase. So complete Raji is this way, right? So for name text, it is first letter is capital, that also became small now. Okay, so working with the string, basic ones, you got it. How to find a length, the variable name dot length will give you the length of that string. Okay, so if I give, okay, so when do we use a length? Okay, so good question. Okay, so when do we use a length, and then other operators, other things? Okay, so when I want to particularly check for a user, okay, for example, you have not exactly in the testing, you will be using this one, or I can give you the case. Okay, so you are trying to search a user, for example. Okay, and then you are trying to match with the character by character. So I want to search Raji in entire this window or somewhere, right? So I will be matching with the character by character. Yes, so I need to know the length before I match character by character, because till what time I have to search, how much the length is that string, we need to know for programming different manipulations. What are the different manipulations to search in, to find, or to match it with the, or is it expected matching or not? Okay, so to find that one, we will be using this. So down the line, you will understand where we exactly use. Okay, so the length will give the length of that string variable. I hope you got it right, Sharanya.
Yeah, Rajni.
Yeah, okay. So we will see some more now again. So for example, you have a name, right? So consider you have a name and the first name and last name. Okay, so this is your first name. I will not change this one. I will create another one. Okay, string first name equals to some value you have got. Okay, so Sharanya, you have got, and then the last name you have got, and then last name is, I'll take anything, guys. Okay, do not mind if it is not Dio, something like this. Okay, or a John. Just consider this is the name. Okay, and in this first name and last name, I need to, or I want to concatenate and then make it as a name. Okay, so I want to print as a name. So how we will be doing that? Here I will write first name. I'll copy exactly, we need to use that dot So concat is a method we have. So I want to concat first name with the last name. So here I will provide str, that is concat last name. So first name and last name, it will concat and it will print. Okay, where it is? Yeah, Sharanya, John, it is printing. Yes. So your name has got concatenated. Few has like, okay, some name is like Shravan Kumar or anything. So the name is same one. Okay, that is of a same user, first name, last name. And then concatenation, two strings you can concat with this concat method. So these are the different string methods, basic string methods you have got in the Java. So you can perform different manipulations with it. Okay, so now we covered variables. What is variable? Is nothing but a container which will hold the value, and then there are different data types for the variables. What types of variables we have? Integer, double, boolean, and then character, string. So these are the different data types we have. So tomorrow we'll cover with the if else statement, looping, loop statements. Okay, and then we will see what is a for loop, what is a while loop. Okay, and then what are the arrays in Java. Okay, and then what are the methods in Java, and then how we create a reusable method with the parameters, and then what is a overloading. Okay, okay guys, so we'll continue tomorrow.
Rajini, I have a question in Ajay. Can I ask you?
Yeah, in that batch you ask. Okay, Sharanya.
Okay.
So this is a Java class, right? Others will get confused.
Okay.
Okay.
It will start at 11 o'clock.
Yes. Yeah.